Welcome to our another session of Pilates, Alive Pilates. Susan Booth here, and this one would be really good to do in the middle of the day. It's going to be just a mindful breathing session with a few small movements thrown in, so something quick and easy you could do. Maybe you could do this in the lunch hour if you're in your job, or you just need some time for you. So I want you to start by getting into a seated position. I'm going to sit on the floor because it just relaxes my body and spine in the right direction. I just want you to feel comfortable, so you might be sitting on a chair, that's absolutely fine. We're just going to start with rolling the shoulders backwards. So if you've been sitting at a desk all morning, just want to release the tension from the shoulder blades. I'm going to start some nice breathing, slow it down. So I'm going to breathe in, I'm going to breathe out. And again, big circles. Breathe out. If you want to, you can close your eyes just to get yourself in that zone. Might just help you to focus more on you. Just a few movements, a few minutes to yourself in the middle of the day. Drop the shoulders down. Take one hand on the opposite side. Just give me a little twist to the side, looking over the shoulder. Use the arm on the knee to anchor yourself around. Then change direction. One hand behind, keeping the back and spine nice and upright. Use the breath in as you spin around. Breathe out as you take yourself back. So get a nice flowing movement going here. Just opening that spine. Again, this can be done on the chair. So if you are at the desk chair, it's fine to do it like this. Just hold onto the side of the chair at the back if you want to. That's great. Now, if you're sitting on the floor, I want your feet to be forward, the knees are together, and your hands at any position, taking the body weight. So you're here. Pushing the chest up to the ceiling, opening the chest. Bring down the chin, and again breathe out, breathe in, and breathe out. So really working on these posture muscles. You feel tension through the shoulders and neck. One more, lift it up through that chest. Drawing the shoulders back and down, looking gently up to the ceiling. Lovely. Okay, take the legs wide if you can now, even if you're on the chair. Again, rolling the shoulders, sitting upright. If you're feeling quite tight around this area, you might want to sit on a chair and just have your legs wide, or you can sit on a little cushion just to lift your bottom off the floor. Take one hand down to the ankle, the other arm is coming over the head. Breathe in. Breathe out, lift up, change sides, reach, breathe in, lift, breathe out, breathe in, and breathe out. Nice flowing movement. Good. This is really uncomfortable for you. You can take your legs into the diamond shape and do the same thing. Just put your arm and hand down to support the back. Flowing movements. Excellent. Bend the knees again. So we're back into this position, leaning back on the hand. We're just going to twist the knees to one side and twist them to the other, pushing the shoulders out. It's really nice. Working through the spine. Try and drop both knees to the side. One more time. Release. Last little stretch before we have to get back to work. Grabbing the ankles, dropping the knees down, lifting through the spine. Imagine your spine, you're growing into your spine, you're lifting, and then drop the chin down, curve the spine the other way. Lift the chin, grow up into the spine, lengthening, and then drop down. So breathe in, breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Fabulous, great session, thank you very much. See you next time.